Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I am Kat and I make a lot of videos related to luxury, lifestyle and fashion, so if you enjoy such videos, remember to subscribe for more. I've got a couple of new pieces from Chanel as well as Hermes. Really recently, I haven't really sat down to really do a true unboxing. I've already used some of those pieces, so I'm just going to show you what I've got. Just got some little items and some stuff from Hermes as well, because I'm just so happy they've got my sizes. So there's a couple of pieces that I'm really looking forward to do reviews on. So yes, looking forward to just share with you how I would typically style these pieces as well. So let's get started. Let's start off with Chanel. It just comes in, you know, a really classic packaging, and I've already removed the packaging for the box because I just can't wait to use this piece. And here it goes. Quite a small item, but it's just like when I saw it, I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't even have to think about it too much. It just took me like a few minutes to say, okay, yes, I'm just gonna get it because they only have my size, and you know, that's like the only thing available. So really excited. It's actually a belt. I love this one. It's actually like a black 85 cm long thin lambskin belt in light gold hardware. So I'll just show you like the close-up of this. It's like I've seen a lot of, you know, Chanel belts where they come in really thick, you know, crazy designs, right? But I just wanted something dainty, and you know, when she pulled this out and said, okay, this is actually like one of the new ins, I was like, okay, immediately, yes, I'm gonna get it. So this is actually a waist belt. I can't use it as a belt where I can use around the hip area or jeans, so I plan to use this you know, with my dresses. Let me just show you how it looks like when I put it on. Sorry for the mess guys, but this is how it looks like. To show you also how this looks like behind, it's really so nice. I think the price is really more expensive than Hermes, because I was looking at the prices for Hermes and belts cost about 1,000, 1,003 depending, and you're able to customize it as well. But for this, it was over like 1,900 I believe for this belt. 1,910 Singapore dollars. Definitely going to use this so often, and I've already used it already. So hi guys, I just have to bring my baby in because he just woke up and he was just laughing a lot outside, and his name is baby Oliver. Hi Oliver, say hi. Say hi. Okay, he's starting to chew on me already. He's trying to chew on my hands. This is something that he loves to do really recently. So hey baby, this is not for chewing. And look, he is chewing on my hand like nobody's business. Baby, look, you're on video, you're on camera. Okay, so yeah, he's in a really good mood right now. All right, okay, I better let you go. If you want to see more of him, let me know in the comment section down below. Bye. Moving on to a little bit more about this belt is that it comes with 4 holes, and it is in the size 85 that I got it. It's actually made in Italy. They have it in white as well, so I'm thinking really hard whether I should get it in white or should I just get a belt from Hermes and have it like a reversible kind of thing, you know? Let me know what you think. Very next unboxing, very small one, and you know, when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, I just love it so much. I just had to get it. So here it goes. I told myself, okay, this is actually a costume jewelry item, and I told myself, okay, you know, I'm not gonna get any costume jewelry, you know, anymore. Let me just invest in pretty good quality, you know, real pieces, right? Like, at least like real gold, real silver, like diamonds or whatever. But you know, when I saw this, I was like thinking, man, this is cute. I got myself a pair of earrings, and this comes in the Chanel logo. 5 is my favorite number as well, so managed to just get this one. And It comes with some diamond at the back as well. Probably I'll just show you some close-ups, but yes, I love it. It's so cute. I haven't actually tried this piece on yet, so maybe I should just wear it and just show you how it looks like right now. And love it. It is so cute. Alright guys, thanks a lot for tuning in, and if you want to see my next video, I have part 2 of my Hermes unboxing. I've also added some Chanel 22S footage, so enjoy, and I will see you in my next one really soon.